I've heard it about 2026 because the only person who's winning is Liema Panzi. Hi, welcome back. My name is Punso. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. This week was definitely a week for Liema. I'll start with the good news of her music signing into a new label record, which I talked about in some of the video. I'll link it down below, that she needs a new management, and she did that. It's not my advice. I think that she also knew that she needs a new management to manage her star power, because at this point we understand that she has the talent, she has the personality, she's already a star. She just needs a refinement and someone who's going to put her on the spotlight. This is about resources that they can afford her. The new management, they're saying they're managing for Master KG. Those are global artists. They are not only doing it in Africa, they're going to Portugal, they're going to Ibiza, they're going to the United States of America, to Canada. So Liema is going to be given that opportunity too. By the end of this year, maybe Liema will be in the top 5 of the Song of the Summer, or win a summer or South African Music Award or a Metro Award. So I can't wait to see that for our girl. While we're still at our girl, she is working with Jack and Lovely. And guys, I want to just clarify this, no? There's a difference between an ambassador, a PR list influencer, and a paid partnership. From what we can see is that Liema Pansy is on the PR list. And sometimes PR list, it doesn't mean that you don't get paid. You get paid for that post and you get to promote, you get free products, and it's a good thing because it shows that you can actually market. I mean, it's an exposure, sort of your portfolio, what you can do when given certain products. And she has her own natural hair, so, and it's beautiful, by the way. So I just love it for her, and I enjoy it for her. If you don't enjoy it for her, I don't know. Onyaka any. Again, when we're talking about brand dealership, Ghana, South Africa, we know the brand ambassador of Ghana, South Africa is Natasha Tahani, but Liema also made it to their PR list or paid partnership, which is very important as an influencer and a rising artist. We might find herself one day as a brand ambassador and influencing on this. And again, she continued to work with Honor to introduce the new model Honor 600. I wish I had money and buy it because it looks like a good phone and very affordable, but still I cannot afford it myself. But next time, I guess. But it's a good thing for Liema, and I appreciate that she's working for a winner who's working this hard. I'm happy because most of the time in the Big Brother show, we see that the winner, they just win that 2 million and then they vanish. They don't give us anything after the show, and we fall in love with them. But then, what can we do if they're not giving us anything? But our girl is here for us to load more and more content. And I love it for ladies who are engaging, who are buying, who are doing everything to make sure that they support the girl. Remember, if the brands they see or after Liema has promoted or used this thing, the sales are going up. It means the more chances of her actually working with those brands, especially for hair brands, what you call Gania. If you like, actually, I'm not gonna advise you to take it, but if you have a skin to work with that Gania, for me, I still, before Liema, I did buy one of their product. They have active ingredients. They need you to use them with sunscreen. Don't play too much on the sun and whatnot. So if you're going to buy them, just be aware of those things. They don't come for the Yama, don't come for me saying that I influence you to buy it. I'm just saying that they do work, but with active ingredients, you need to stay away from the sunlight most of the time. That's it. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Do you think that we are ready to close 2026 and just give it to Liema because the girl is slaying, is winning, and she's doing everything that she can to give us the content that we love from her? Goodbye.